Hello guys, new smartphone Samsung Galaxy A04E, this version for 3GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. Open box and look completation. In completation we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable, key for SIM slot. This all completation. Device model A04E. Okay. Device made of plastic, double camera on the back side, on this side power button and wall buttons, slot for 2 nano SIM card and microSD card for memory on this side, and downside others. PLS Matrix PLS Matrix HD resolution display. Okay. Samsung launcher, Android 12, and run benchmarks. Look, benchmark results. These CPU test results. We have CPU MediaTek MT6765V and GPU PowerVR. Close this. Results. Okay, under the benchmark results, and run Guitar Sound OS. Look how Guitar Sound OS work on the device. Okay, game works good. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.